Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Honey Lemon from Big Hero 6 on Just to Impress. Let's get started with the video. Again, as always, I'm not going to do the adjustments from the beginning. So let's get started. For the hair, I used this in No Bangs in this blonde. For the adjustments, I did Y.52, Z.53, and then I used this hair in the same blonde in Y.48, Z.58, rotated it at Y.49 and scaled it down to 0.32. Then I used this headband here in the first toggle in this color FFCD76, positioned it at Y.43, Z.53, rotated it at X.38 and scaled it down to 0.38. For the fit, we are going to use this coat here in the second toggle in that same yellow color. I am going to color it matte though because, I don't know, it just doesn't blend correctly with the dress. Then for the dress, we're just going to use this one, the simple dress, in type 2 in the same yellow color. Then for the stockings, we're going to use this. No, actually we are going to enable, let's disable the feet here and color it this color, FFD9CE. Then we're going to add these socks in this like bright orange color, this one here. For the heels, I am going to use a VIP heel. You don't have to. I'm just going to use this one in that same yellow and then black. Then I also added a phone here in this color 731B3B, and I also added these glasses in that same phone color, and then I did this like brown for the glasses. Then if you want to add a bag, you can use any bag you want, but I'm just going to use this one because you can use a lot of colors on it. But again, you can choose any bag that you want. I just color it yellow, and then what color did I do? Pink? I don't remember what color I did. I'm just going to use pink on these, and then like, I don't know, orange, and then orange again. But I don't know, it's up to you what color you want your bag to be. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.